Okay, the first story of the week is called All Kinds of Helpers. I want you guys to take a look at the cover of our story, and I want you to think about who the helpers in this story are. Are they teachers? Are they parents? Are they coaches? Well, I'm sure as you notice, they're all at a basketball gym, and it looks like that they're with a team of kids. So I'm gonna guess that these guys are coaches. Coaches help you play a sport, right? Teachers help you learn material at school. Parents help you do a lot of important things like growing up and all your responsibilities and all those kinds of things. So even just in like 5 seconds, I was able to think of at least three or four people who help you all the time. This story is going to go through a bunch of examples of people and communities that help. So while we're reading, I want you to think about which ones are in your life and how they help you. And maybe there's some in the story that help you that you could talk about. Okay. Also, I want you to think about why this story was written. What was the author's purpose? We're going to go over that at the end of the story, but I just wanted to plant that idea in your head so when you're reading, you have something to focus on. All right. Essential question: who helps you? Read about the people in your community who help you and the different ways they help. All right, let's get started. Oh, before I go though, we forgot to talk about genre. Genre is the type of story. So the genre is nonfiction. It's going to be factual. It's true. These are real people and they're events that could happen in real life. All right, here we go. All kinds of helpers. Every day, people help us in many ways. To help means to give what is needed and useful. It also means to make things better. So, helpers are the people who give us what we need and who make our lives better. Who are some of the people who help us? Families can be helpers. The people in a family love and accept us. They also help us in many ways. A family can include a mother and a father. This boy also has a big brother. His brother often helps him with his homework. His mother and father help him learn about the world. Teachers help you in many ways. In school, a teacher helps you learn how to read and write. A teacher teaches you such subjects as math and social studies. A teacher helps you understand new ideas. Sports coaches are helpers too. The baseball coach in this picture is teaching his team how to hold the ball. He talks to them and shows them what to do. Who taught you how to play a sport? Doctors and nurses help keep you healthy. You visit the doctor for a checkup or when you feel sick. The girl in this picture feels awful because she caught a bad cold, but the doctor will help her get better. Do you walk or take the bus to school? Either way, people help you get back and forth safely. Other helpers keep you safe too. Police officers and firefighters are always protecting you. Some boys and girls need a grown up to talk to. Some groups match boys and girls with a grown up who will be their friend. What a good idea! There are many helpers around you. Families love you and teachers help you learn. Doctors, nurses, and safety helpers keep you healthy and safe. Special groups help you in special ways. All of them give what is needed and useful.